data show the chest size and weight of several bears. Find the regression equation, letting chest size be the independent X variable. Then find the best predicted weight of a bear with a chest size of 40 inches. Is the result close to the actual weight of 282 pounds? Use a 0.05 significance level. So the chest size is given. This is our X variable, and the weight is also given. This is going to be our Y variable. What is the regression equation? So let's go ahead and open this in StatCrunch to find the regression equation. So we have the chest size, we have the weight, we go on stat, regression, simple linear. X variable is the chest size, Y variable is the weight, and we just click compute. And from there, we can find our equation of the regression line, and we can see that our regression line is increasing and it has a positive slope. So we're asked to round the y-intercept and slope to 1 decimal place, so negative 330.4. That's the y-intercept. And the slope is 16.3. What is the best predicted weight of a bear with a chest size of 40 inches? So first, we need to show that there's a correlation between the two variables. If we can show that there's a correlation between the two variables, then we can use the regression equation as the predictor. So let's review the hypothesis test for correlation. N is the number of pairs in a sample. R is a linear correlation coefficient for a sample. And rho is a linear correlation coefficient for a population. And rho is what we use to set up our hypotheses. So the null is rho is 0, which means there's no linear correlation. And the alternate is that rho is not 0, which means there is a linear correlation. And we reject the null if p-value is less than significance level. We don't reject the null if p-value is greater than significance level. So let's take a look at our p-value, which is 0.0003, which is smaller than significance level of 0.05, which means we're going to reject the null. And we're looking at the p-value based on the slope. So since our p-value is less than significance level, then that means we're rejecting the null. So we have enough evidence to support the alternate hypothesis, which says that there is a linear correlation. So since there's a linear correlation between the two variables, we can use the regression equation as a predictor. So that means we can plug in into our regression equation to make a prediction. So we are going to substitute 40 because 40 is the chest size, which is the X value, into X. So let's use a calculator to get our answer. So I'm going to plug in. I have negative 330.4, so negative 330.4 plus slope is 16.3, 16.3 times, I'm going to substitute 40 for X. So I'm getting 321.6. Which is not very close to the actual weight of 282.